Hey, sneakerheads, fashion designers, and Etsy dreamers. This one's for you. So, whether you've always wanted to invent your own sneaker collab or create a custom shoe concept for a fashion line, well, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT's newest image generation tool to bring your footwear ideas to life. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you bring and build your brand or product line. Let's lace up and jump in. First up, let's craft your signature sneaker silhouette. Are you going chunky dad shoes, futuristic runner, minimalist streetwear low top? You don't have to be a pro designer to dream big, because ChatGPT right here can help you define every detail. So we'll start with an imaginative concept that nails style, materials, and also design language. All right, so here's the prompt that I put together right over here. Let me just separate this. And yep, here we go. So what I'm aiming for is the aesthetics of cyberpunk and also futuristic. Should be high top design, asymmetrical panels. All right, RGB light accents, mate black base, has circuit pattern sidewalls. All right, the logo should be minimal. Vibe should feel like Blade Runner meets Nike Techwear. All right, so yeah, here's all the details you can read here. Let me just pull up this one and this one. There we go. And let's run that right now. All right, so we should watch ChatGPT generate this for the concept to take shape. I'm already picturing this sort of like a collector's drop or an Etsy mock-up that sells out overnight. Okay, it's kind of, a little cocky right there. But just imagine, just for instance, on that. So yeah, just be patient and let this wait out a bit. All right, as you'll see right here, it's currently loading up, and look at this partial half. It looks so good. Look at the detail. Oh my god, wow. Oh, look at the shoelaces. The logo up top here. Oh, it looks so shiny. Wow! Would you look at that? Those panel layers. What? The lighting details. The futuristic color palette. Oh my god. It felt so real. You could base this like an entire fashion line around this one shoe alone. And yeah, the best part, you can keep evolving it endlessly with just a few tweaks on the details from your prompt right here, and it could elevate it more than this one. Just think of the possibilities. See, it looks so good. Now let's talk story. The best shoes doesn't just look cool. They actually say something. Whether it's inspired by a childhood memory, your favorite anime, or an iconic city, well, ChatGPT right here can help you build a shoe that tells a story visually. Let's go with, for instance, a fantasy theme for this one. Okay, again, you can click this. Voila. Here's my prompt. Let me just split this apart. There we go. Now you can see all the details more clearly. So yeah, fantasy themed sneaker, elemental magic, fire and air, specifically. So the silhouette mid top, flame shaped, deep crimson, orange gradients. All right, and midsole, volcanic rock, glowing red undersoles. Yep, these are the significant details that we'll be looking out for once it's generating. Lace tips and tongue logo, gold accents. Okay, and yeah, here are all the details. Once again, just in case, Click, create image. There we go. So let's send this off to ChatGPT right now. All right, and see what kind of visual world GPT paints for us with this one. Okay, again, this might take a little bit while. It's currently loading up. Okay, it won't be for too long. Just be patient. Sorry about that. Tongue twisted there. Oh, as you can see, as you notice right here, it's currently loading up. There we go. You can see it right there. Oh, here it is. The wing. Okay. There's the logo up top. Okay. Let's keep going down. All right. Oh, here it is. The side with the fire, the flame, volcanic flame. Oh, yep. There we go. Here's the final look here. Would you look at that? The smoke mesh and volcanic midsole are quite unexpected details right here. And yeah, they totally bring the elemental concept to life right here. And yeah, would you look at that? You could take a closer look. It looks close to realistic here. So this would be perfect for cosplay merch or gaming culture drops or themed Etsy stores. So yeah, I'd totally buy this. This one really stuck out to me with the wings on the side and all. So yeah. So before we continue, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. So, you've seen wild concepts of sneakers in real life, or even like sort of that one from the previous segment, but what about stylish kicks you could actually wear every day? So, why not generate a more grounded but still design forward sneaker you could pair with like joggers, cargos, or even a skirt? So we'll go for a clean streetwear look with some high-end edge. Okay, here's my prompt. Wait, hold on. Create image. There we go. Then here's my prompt right here. Okay, so create e-sneaker concept. You know what? I could. There we go. Create a sneaker that blends minimalist fashion with elevated materials. Use a low-profile silhouette. Yes, classic tennis shoe. Upper smooth off white Italian leather. Okay. Gum sole for contrast. Okay. Then include gold foil near the heel. All right. Then tongue tag. All right. Final result. Feel like a cross between common projects and fear of God. Okay. Let's send this off. Again, with all the details with the prompt, you gotta have to click this one just to make sure. And here we go. Sending this off to ChatGPT. All right, it's getting started. Loading up for the image rendering process. Okay, just be patient for a little bit. All right. And yeah, let's see how it handles with this type of luxury minimalism on the sneaker concept that we'll be doing. All right. Let's keep an eye out over here and see how it's going to roll down here and how the shoe would look like. It might take a little bit while, so just wait out for. Okay, so far so good. Right, we're seeing a little tidbit of the shoe that we're going for. All right, up, it's looking good. Okay, I can see the shoelace. All right, up, looks quite simple yet clean. Okay, let's wait out a bit. All right, there's the, yep, there's the text. Oh, yep, there we go. Look at this one. See, walk with intention in my prompt. Would you look at that? Intention, walk with intention. Oh, this looks not bad. I actually like it. So yeah, the materials look quite elevated, yet simple yet elevated. So the layout is crisp and the overall feel is effortlessly premium. So yeah, this is the kind of sneaker design you could mock up, manufacture, or just dream about. So yeah, minimalistic, yet it's very marketable, I must say. And yeah, there you have it. Three totally different sneaker concepts created in minutes using ChatGPT. And so, whether you're designing for streetwear, storytelling, or sleek simplicity, the possibilities are endless. So, let me know in the comments which shoe you'd actually wear, or drop your dream concept and for you to try generate it with this tool right here. So yeah, catch you next time in the next video. Bye!